Jatend migawo manyien mar tije kod arita mar oganda Dr. Alfred Mutua osingo keto e chik meto mar osara kata malo 6 ne jotije sirkal kaka nosingo kod jatend piny William Ruto e kinde nyasi mar Labour Day. Mutua wacho ni apise oikore mar keto e tim singo mag tend Kenya Kwanza moting'o loso luor kod rito chik e kind jotije kod joma ondikogi. Bende omedo ni oikore mar twak kod jotije duto masani ni e ng'anyo kod mago duto machano dhi e ng'anyo. Jagoro maduong' mar kotu Francis Atwoli manoyuoro e romo e apisi mar jatend migawono bende omedo kwayo migawono mondo onon ngima jo Kenya matiyo e pinje maoko.
On the far left is the president declared a 6% increase in wages in the last Labour Day. This government is keen on improving productivity, and because once you improve productivity, you grow industry. When you grow industry, you create more jobs. In the same hand also, we need also to promote the rights of the employer. The employer needs to have the right to employ the people they want to employ and to also to increase their productivity. What I want to promise the country is that under my watch, I'll be doing whatever I can to stop strikes before they happen.
The other area we have touched on is indirect slavery practiced in the Gulf to our children who go to Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and other places where they are maimed, killed. Every morning, if you go to Jomo Kenyatta Airport, the Qatar airline is coming with a coffin of a Kenyan girl. So the minister said he would open his eyes wide open and make sure that he deals particularly with the employment, National Employment Authority,